Very good afternoon, my dear students. So today we are going to discuss and I'm going to teach a chapter called the major landform of Earth. So major landform of Earth, you can see pictures here: mountain, land, peninsula, delta, mountain of river, lake. You can see these are landforms here. Okay, then next slide. We are going to discuss from next slide. Okay, you can see that all these are the major landform of Earth. Okay, you can see here mountain, volcano, valley, land, canyon, island, river, ocean, lake, hill, waterfall, bay, plateau, cave, peninsula, and glacier. All these are the major landform on Earth's surface. Okay, the mountain means ray, the volcano Mary, valley means Shong, plain means Yathang, canyon, canyon means Shong Kalaya, Kabuyinyo, island nana, Lingten, river nana, Pichu, ocean, Yamtho, lake nana, Ho, then hill nana, Lichung Chung, waterfall nana, Pabju, bay, Chothala, Lutu, Toga, cave nana, Cho, peninsula nana, so Susum Changyo di, glacier means Sakrum. So these are the major landform of Earth's surface. To do some around the loga such a new language, such as Chata Manda loga. Next thing. Now you can see here the content of this chapter goal major landform of Earth. Okay. First brief introduction. The second mountain, Earth, Pluto, then fourth plant, then fifth landform on people. So in this chapter, it has a 5 content we are going to discuss and I'm going to teach. The culture di no ne lo chen thang de la mo de se cha ta lu mo de ji che and we de la ri ga la ma che ne nga to ba nga na che ne nga to ki plan na kya thang di ma na che land form on people such a cha ta da mi par to ba de culture di na हम che ये तो मानना है तब तो che in the next story na. Okay, brief introduction takarcha nanu thuma tangko de mute footage. Now here you can see Earth has an infinite variety of landform. Some parts of the lithosphere may be rugged and some flat. These landforms are result of the two processes such as internal process and external process. Internal and external geomorphic process. Variety of topography reflects complexity of interactions between process and structure. Internal process operate with earth, drawing energy from the heat. In general, they are the building forces increasing the relief of land surface. External process operated based on atmosphere. Separate, drawing energy from the source above lithosphere, atmosphere, or ocean. Better understood than internal process behavior is predictable. In general, they are the wearing down of the destructive force, diminishing relief land surface. Okay, now the onjuki with modeshu when the Tamaran Chitangi earth the at Payeva, Tameva, Chibushiranga. With the Budemevege, such a Himana, Moboshuji, and to Cheo. Okay. These landforms are result of such. I think on to get looking around we already discussed about previous chapter the major domains of Earth. What are the major domains of Earth? Lithosphere, hydrosphere, then biosphere. Okay, all these are we already discussed. Now here lithosphere, the solid portion of Earth may be rugged, some are flat. Tangati dinake je khari shiwa lidis, bilanda mara slopsi nguma na jasarwa, damning nanogi. And that how do read someone of to read someone to spare. That's when you know Kashi by flat US, Kashi and Kashi tabit for Kunyu Mabed. Mina such a Kunyu, some such a Chadan, land from Chadan, Kenya, Chajuni, all the sneakers, internal process, the external process that I'm assembling. Internal the demographic process on the third moment Earth the demographic dual and earth big process. The level internal the external legal plate earth plate the moment in earth the moment okay. Such a chatang the internal process naloni sayum jawaya dana shingi naloni ning naloni pa yoni such a saw chaja merit for near chaja dana shingi natural disaster earthquake nalo jamin nalo ne to say you external and one chulo layer to me chulo layer the go chulo dille ne on the latest fair kan to that in a mango or the process the king around to layer ni ni se mangush ni regular ni on the section thousand we are going to discuss next slide internal and external process of landform internal forces that create landform then crustal movement, the moving plates of the earth crust. The plates move very slowly, 1 to 5 centimeter years. Plates may slide, push or apart from each other. Mountain and volcanoes form, formed from the process within the earth's surface. I think on the internal such a thing internal coming nalole the plate tudra the plate ni plate collating dungte gujetra gujamni de on the chest fall mounting with form chair and fall mounting with on a continent crust chair crust chin on a second chair such as outside on the nalolia now nashing it two plate moving apart plate part or Pluto and the kingi the color was spreading the culture sea floor chulo the chuga and chuki I think on the earth crust coming gone and the digia didn't chule in Euro digia dile zone digi and the continental link continent I think I well cannot and Mary Torah ashes in the Torah magma trade in a 2000 magma that in the continental dinner cannot played the moment always played the moment changing on the meaning of the Sayam that the imagine played the Katus in a lodging the lawyer centimeter chinning up the chibo that played the Yamani Dung something Yamani chip hard to the colliding and Dumba Dumni the continental crust crust lana the Paksha here fall me I mean fall lana tabsit here read tabsit here what the day played ni Duni colliding channel okay ne plate ni part chik chuli chik part of plate part of chik chuli chair do jo jam but okay ne mountain the volcano is some process. Normal has an internal process here. Then okay, you can see here external physiological process. External process are those that go outside the earth crust, including weather, weathering, was erosion, deposition, delta, soil building. 아주 external process는 추로기 가르친 external process 추로는 이거라. ning chulo kan khala weather namshi gi tingora sawageya da dusamuro di kente gora weathering na thakdu ta thakdu da erosion ninga chuda de ma thene sadu ma thene ta chudi sada de ma thene deposition delta de form chura delta de form soil building ani chudi de chuda gi chudu sada de ma external process saja sawa soya de gora onde chik internal process chik external process ten line form soya ba lo. Then next continue. Now we are going to discuss in the next second content mountain and mountain is a natural elevation of earth's surface. Then the mountain may have a small summit and a broad base. Okay. It is the considered higher than surrounding area. Then third, some mountains are even higher than the cloud. Fourth, in some mountains they are permanently frozen river of ice they call glacier. Such a glacier in Kashmir is the second largest wall in the polar area. Madu damling nalogi tamatugi contain karsa nalogi mountain and re damling di real natural elevation and elevation and that is also the elevation of yeah then elevation on it rangshing chanjogi thonga chaji elevation on the elevator later to be mold in the do some balaya we are low yama care to elevator the earth surface thonga would little chaji mountain may the small summit the wall base the base chunju mission for ya kachimbu yota base yachimbu ke kugi ta kanliya di me broad the base the mountain may have a small summit wall ya base the chimbuche broad base your is kanliya okay the kharele on the surrounding around to the nepal ya tho your is read chida read is ma tho la ba that tho ya and some ricochet petho on the cloud dile at tho your in some mountains there chakwa khashe jibet to the number kun to be for kharichan chakwa gi ice chakwa gi du tum shen gi le khalo was glacier la wata chakrum la wata ni nga to sajin glacier jo lo ti khawa ne kashmir na ti jamling na lo ne polar region second polar region. Then three types of the mountain you can see here: fall mountain, then block mountain, then volcanic mountain. These three mountain gold three types of mountain. Okay, then fall mountain, you can see this is picture of the fall mountain, you can see here. This is then block mountain, you can see here. Then volcanic mountain, I will give you the plate movement. I already told you that the plate colliding, right? Colliding, I already told previous that one, right? If the plate colliding, it will form that fall mountain. You can see here fall mountain. Okay, sentiment and some magma force upward. Okay, this is because of the reason. What reason? Plate colliding, the plate movement chora plate chikado apart chenia lower plate drani dungni ya thudia durwa ya doni any fall mountain ya form change okay this block mountain the block man garbin the horse block la ne kima dishtu do kima di list model ka do kima block list block mountain. Volcanic mountain, the volcanic mountain dinaloya I will explain to you. magma chamber, magma chamber là nó chúng ta đi